Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says two dices are rolled. So, we have to roll two dice, means total number of sample space would be, if it will have six face, the total number of sample space would be 6 to the power 2, 36. If both dices have six faces numbered 1 2 3 5 7 11, so this dice is different but it is having six face, that is okay. So the total number of sample space would be 6 power 2, that is 36. Then the probability that the sum of the numbers on the top face is less than or equal to 8. Okay, so look at the approach how we will handle this situation. So my first idea is I will try to draw all the elements of the sample space. So I'll write first this thing, means I'll write horizontally 1 2 3 5 7 and 11, 1 2 3 5 7 and 11. Okay, then I will plot corresponding elements. Okay, now we have to find out uh, required probability. So the required probability, so according to me total number of outcome is 36. Now I have to focus on like favorable outcomes. So what is the favorable outcome? Favorable outcome is less than or equal to 8. So look at this. I will first find out the last number of every column. So it is 7 plus 1 8, that is valid. 5 and 3 is 8, valid. 3 and 5, 5 and 3 is valid, 8. 7 2 is 9, 5 2 7 is valid, and 7 and 1 is valid. Okay, now I'll count down all the elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So altogether total number of favorable outcome is 17. So the required probability is 17 by 36. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.